Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu ngiyanabukela ku channel yami usahleli nesalukazi intombi endala ugogo Patricia. So guys, into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo it's that idlozi libheka ekujuleni kwenhliziyo yomuntu. Awukwazi ukuthi ukhohlise idlozi. Idlozi liyabonelela futhi idlozi libona nalawe nicanga ukuthi ababoni khona. Right? That's why even in the Bible says that uNkulunkulu, when he answers prayers, he looks at inhliziyo yakho. You know, he looks at inhliziyo yakho. That's why sometimes you say things or you do things not because you mean them, but because at that particular time ubuthukuthele. Right? So kunomunye umuntu othi gogo mina ngazi abantu abadala bayenzani. Yabona, ngihlale ngithi mina if ungazi ukuthi wenzani emsamo ngicela ungaye emsamo, because wena uya emsamo uyocela noma uyokhuleka noma uyothandaza noma uthandaza kuNkulunkulu. I always say ukuthi an answer is not always yes. No is also an answer. Right? uNkulunkulu makathi cha, it does not mean ukuthi God did not answer my prayers. Just because you said can I, then uNkulunkulu wathi cha, it does not mean you did not get an answer. You got an answer. The answer is no. You understand? If umuntu ushela umuntu athi uyangithanda noma ungithandi, it does not mean the answer is yes ngiyakuthanda. If I said no angikuthandi, yes, they gave me an answer. What did they say? They said no. You understand? So a lot of you nimsamo nikhale ngama boyfriend ukuthi hey boyfriend yami gogo iyangishithela ngicela ukuthi nilungiseni into zami ngicela ukuthi like kanti bona ianswer yabo ukuthi you know what, lo mfana ngathi uzoba inking, lo mfana uzongcolisa ingane yethu, lo mfana uzolimaza ingane yethu, lo mfana usihlangabeza nabantu ekukuthi makambathana nabo banemimoya engalunganga noma banqolile bese uyabuya uzongqolisa lo wethu and lo wethu usuke eclean. So the solution is ukususa lo mfana. Uyaya wena uyocela uthi ngicela emsebenzini abantu bengisebenza nabo asizwani bangishaya ngemithi bangikhuluma kabi, they are plotting ukuthi mina ngiqoshwe emsebenzini. And you think ukuthi idlozi lakho the answer will be ithi ngibashaya or ithi ngibasuse. No, awuthi ngisuse wena from the equation. Wenzeni ulahlekelwe umsebenzi phinda ukhala ukuthi abantu abadala umsebenzi uphelile. That was the answer. That was the safest way that they can assist you. So whenever you ask, you must be ready to receive the answer of what you are asking for, because the answer that you're looking for, it's not always the way when you want it. Now, as Abelapi, we're praying. This is where I want to go. As Abelapi, we are fighting, we are talking, we are passing. Ukuthi kuney'nyanga zamanga. These days a lot of people bayathwasisa kungafanelanga bathwase. Manje sekunezangoma everywhere. Ubunyanga, sorry makhosi, ubunyanga abusahlonishwa, ubunyanga in. Now, idlozi liyasebenza. There has to be a clear difference now between, God says there has to be a clear difference between those who serve me and those who do not, those who surrender and those who do not surrender. We understand? So we see people njengaleya ntombazane leya yayithenge ngawushembandla amabhayinyana u2 we 35 rand. How much was it? 70 rand in total. 70 rand, guys, we can do that. Methulani lo dokotela wethu waku TikTok, apparently he's not a doctor. He says he was doing it for entertainment, right? So I guess now Lower Mabai was doing it for entertainment to ukuthatha abantu. Yabo, ukuthatha abantu, because kwawona la mabhayi bekawathengile ayabonakala ukuthi akusamabhayi awumuntu osebenzayo lo noma owayewagqoka. Wayemasha la mabhayi lawa wayemasha ene nanoma amasha, it's fine. Kuneyingane zabantu eziwiswe entwasweni ngoba bafuna imali. Ingane abantu yathwasa kanti ayinadluzi. A lot of people are like, no, hey, lona uzolimala, hey idlozi lizomlimaza washisa into zakhe ezedlozi. Child, don't be stressed about that. What we see now, it's answers to our prayers, right? We sing answers. Manje bayasibonisa ukuthi no, lo vele wayengenalo idlozi. Wayengenalo nhlobo idlozi. So why are you angry makazi she's wayengenalo? What if when u consent ukuthi idlozi ngeke limsha thola ukuthi la likhona lijabule because of why bebambukile umntanabo asentwasweni bathi hayibo uwenzani lo ngoba thina asizi ngobungoma thina sithwa akunanyanga la ekhaya. So abantu abadala sometimes abakhulumi ngokuthi uze utshele umuntu ukuthi no mamela wena awusubungoma, bazokufakela i-anxiety ne-depression ukuthi mawubona lento le idine kanti ibona ngaleso sikhathi bathi thatha lento ushise man wena ubona ngathi kanti akusibo. So meaning now there's a clear difference ukuthi habobani who's who in the zoo. There's a guy lo beka actor ku Generations who's trending so hard that they trying to now paint ubungoma as a whole ukuthi it's wrong. No, when you are one of those celebrities that were not supposed to even twasa from the word go, awunalo idlozi, awunalo. So there's nothing. Mina in actual fact when I see such things trending ukuthi ngangenile manje ngiphumile bona, I'm happy because now kuyabonakala ukuthi vele into yayikhulunywa ukuthi khona abantu abathwasa bangafanelanga abathwase. Manje bayazibonakalisa ukuthi who's who in the zoo, bani inyanga yeqiniso, bani inyanga yamanga. Yabona kwabona laba abahlele bayeza bakhuluma ngobuthakathi, bakhuluma ngezithwalo, bakhuluma ngaloko. I'm even happy for them. Ask me why. I am happy because bayaziveza ukuthi mamela mina ngisinyanga, mina ngumthakathi. So why be angry if umuntu uyaziveza ukuthi mina ngingumthakathi, mina ngiyaloya, I'm a witch? Why niba stressed? Because lo muntu lo kwayena uyatshela ukuthi mina angeke mawungeza ngento ebalekile noma ngento ekanje angeke ngikwazi mina ukuklapha. Mina into engiyazi ukuthwalisa, mina into engiyazi ukuyenza ipoki, mina into engiyazi ukuyenza lokhu nalokhu uyatshela. So ama customer wakhe will go kuyena ayothola lento le ayenzayo angathi uye lapha, because if they don't come out and say anything, when uzosibonela umuntu ngamabhayi ubone inini ungene kanti ungene esithwalweni. So jabula ukuthi bayaziveza, jabula ukuthi uyaziveza. Kwamanje uGogo Skhotheni was trending for exposing a lot of sangomas ukuthi mabakhwaza idlozi akusidlozi makasho yena akusidlozi usuku senyameni. Yabona kwakunomunye umfana wathi you know mina for a long time ngangisentwasweni ngibona abantu ngimangala ukuthi hayibo mina why ingayenzeki lento le. So because he says I was a good actor, I listened, checked what they did. Bona following day ekuseni kwakuyime ngivusa wonke umuntu ngiyenza leyo nto. And he says I was surprised that my gobela did not even see what I was pretending. This guy made a video about that long time ago and it never catched the momentum. But because now Gogo Skhotheni is saying it, it's catching momentum because of why she's in the public eye. Now wena othi no Gogo Skhotheni ake unamanga iko lento le, you are not wrong. Naye angekho wrong, just that you guys instead of fighting amongst each other, you must understand ukuthi kukhona le side eli pretendayo, kukhona le side elenza izinto ngokweqiniso mabasentwasweni. Laba bayenza izinto ngokugebengu kuyabonakala ukuthi okay, that means all along boyenzani wena entwasweni, all along benidlala ngathi, all along, you understand. Like simple as that. So now there's a now kuyasefeka izangoma ziningi manje zasefeka, and in order ukuthi zisefeke abangayenza izinto ngeqiniso bayaziveza, abayenza into ngeqiniso bayaziveza. If wena wenza into ngeqiniso ungazi ukuthi hayi amanga le into no, wena uright yekela laba bazi expose, as simple as that. So all I'm trying to say is idlozi liyabona, and unfortunately how Dlozi land tries to fix what's happening la emhlabeni and how they do it, it's not up to us, and it's not for us to decide, and it's not us to dictate ukuthi fanele iyenzakale ngendlela enjani. Izoyenzakala ngale ndlela le bona bafuna ngayo. So all I'm saying is check inhliziyo yakho ukuthi wena self, be honest to yourself ukuthi wena mangabe waye entwasweni wathi mina ngaliphuza ngaliphalaza. In doing that, were you honest to yourself? Uyabona mangabe uya e-gym, mina ngiyazazi, mina ngangikhokha i-gym ngisane take e-gym, I'm still paying it till today. But if you ask me ukuthi ngagcina ukuya nini e-gym, ngina more than 12 months ngika e-gym. Nayizolo bengisho ukuthi zathi nishifana ngiye kusasa kodwa angiyi. But ngiya e-gym, if umuntu uyangibuza hayi mina ngine-gym, but me having a gym membership, does it mean ukuthi ngiyajima? No. Mina I'm one of those e-gym mabathi yenzana ama-squats ngiyawayenza. Lo bhuti loyo osenzisa ama-squats nani makacala bheka le ngiyami, makabuya ngiyayenza. Masiphuma lapha sonke siphuma e-gymini, sonke siphuma entwasweni, sonke siphuma kuphi. But now there are those who cheated themselves while they were ephehlweni. There are those who did izinto honestly. And a lot oyenza izinto honestly is like, okay, mamelala, mina umzimba wami, I've got to go, I know what I want, I know what I'm looking for, I'm not gonna cheat. Even when I get home, I'm not gonna cheat, I'm gonna be faithful to my diet. Mina engichithile mangise-gym ngiyenzela mina, because at the end of the day that's my body. I'm not doing it for anyone, I'm doing it for myself. Even now mawusentwaseni awenzela ugobela wenzela wena, because at the end of the day mawufika ekhaya wena nomsebenzi, wena neclient, wena nokwelapha, ugobela uzobe angekho. So you cheating ubuyenzela bani ifavor? Ubungayenzeli muntu. At the end of the day uphuma entwasweni awazi lutho, uphuma e-gym umzimba usafana, uphuma esikoleni awufundanga lutho. Who did you cheat? No one. In actual fact, when you ungathini usenzele i-disadvantage, wena yourself, you are to blame, nobody is to blame. So that's the message I wanted to share with you guys today. Hope niyaphila. Makhosini lesedi khanya xa makundawuwe.